Hello my friends, you're welcome to solve this math problem, which is x squared minus y is equal to 12 and y squared minus x is equal to 12 to find the values of x and y. In the first step, we start by letting this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. In next step, we subtract these two equations, so equation 1 minus 2 is equal to, in here, equation 1 is x squared minus y, and minus equation 2, y squared minus x, is equal to 12 minus 12, it will be 0. And it will be in here x squared minus y and minus y squared, and in here negative times this negative, it will be positive, x is equal to 0. And in next step, we take these two parts together and these two parts together, and it will be x squared minus y squared, and in here we have x minus y is equal to 0. And in here, x squared minus y squared is in the form of difference of 2 squared, right? And we can write this as x minus y times x plus y. And here we have x minus y is equal to 0. And in next step, x minus y is common, so you factor x minus y. And this divided by x minus y, it will be x plus y. And this divided by this, it will be 1 is equal to 0. And here we have two solutions, and x minus y, this is equal to 0, or this x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0. From here, x is equal to y, right? We take this to this side and it will be x is equal to y. And from equation 1, this we have x squared minus y is equal to 12. So we write in here equation 1, we have x squared minus y is equal to 12. And x is equal to y, so we can substitute in this equation and it will be x squared minus y, and y is equal to x, so we can write minus x is equal to 12. And in next step, we take this 12 to this side and it will be x squared minus x minus 12 is equal to 0. And here we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is equal to coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is negative 1, and c is constant is negative 12, right? And it will be x is equal to negative b, negative 1 is positive 1, plus or minus square root of b squared, negative 1 squared, it will be 1, minus 4 times a is 1, times c is negative 12, and over 2a is 2. And from here, x is equal to 1 plus or minus a square root of, in here we have 1, and negative 4 times 1, it will be negative 4, and times negative 12, it will be positive 48, right? And over 2. And 1 plus 48, it will be 49. It will be 49. And in here, it will be 1 plus or minus, the square root of 49 is 7. Plus or minus 7 over 2, right? And in here, we have two solutions for x. x is 1 plus 7, it will be 8, and over 2, it will be 4. And x is 1 minus 7, it will be negative 6, and over 2, it will be negative 3. And in here, x is equal to y, right? So x and y are equal, so x and y from here is equal to 4 and 4, and x and y is negative 3 and negative 3. So we find two answers for x and y from this part. And here, for x plus y plus 1 is equal to 0, we take this x and 1 to this side, and it will be y is equal to negative x minus 1, right? And from equation 1, we have x squared minus y is equal to 12. So we write in here, from equation 1, we have x squared minus y is equal to 12. And we substitute this negative x minus y in this equation, and it will be x squared minus y, and y is negative x minus 1 is equal to 12. And it will be x squared, negative times negative will be positive, positive x, and in here we have positive 1, and we take this 12 to this side, and it will be negative 12 is equal to 0. And it will be x squared plus x minus 11 is equal to 0. And here we use quadratic formula, which is x is equal to negative b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a, which is a is a coefficient of x squared is 1, and b is coefficient of x is 1, and c is constant is negative 11. So x is equal to negative b, it will be negative 1 plus or minus square root of b squared, 1 squared is 1, minus 4ac, 4 times a is 1, times c is negative 11, over 2a is 2, and x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 1, negative 4 times 1, it will be negative 4, and times negative 11, it will be positive 44, right? And over 2. And it will be in here, x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 45 over 2. And 45, we can write 45 as 9 times 5, right? So in here, x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 9 times 5 over 2. And x is equal to negative 1 plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. So 3 times square root of 5 over 2. And here we have two solutions for x. X is, in here, x is negative 1 plus 3 square root of 5 over 2. And in here, x is negative 1 minus 3 square root of 5 over 2. And here, y is equal to negative x minus 1, right? So we write in here, y is equal to negative x minus 1. So from here, y is equal to negative x, and x is this, so negative 1 plus 3 square root of 5 over 2 and minus 1. And it will be negative negative times negative 1, it will be positive 1, so 1, and negative 3 square root of 5 over 2, and minus 1, and we can write 1 as 2 over 2, right? 2 over 2. And from here, this is equal to 1 minus 3 square root of 5 minus 2 over 2, right? And it will be 1 minus 2, it will be negative 1, and minus 3 square root of 5 over 2. So y from here is equal to this, and x is equal to this. And from here, we have x, and y is negative x minus 1. So negative 1 minus 3 square root of 5 over 2, and minus 1. So it will be negative times negative 1, it will be positive 1, and negative times negative will be positive 3 square root of 5 over 2, and minus 1, and we can write 1 as 2 over 2, right? And it will be 1 plus 3 square root of 5 and minus 2 over 2, and this is equal to 1 minus 2 is negative 1, and plus 3 square root of 5 over 2. So y in here is this. So from here, our answer for x and y is x is negative 1 in here, negative 1 plus 3 square root of 5 over 2, negative 1 plus 3 square root of 5 over 2, and y is negative 1 minus 3 square root of 5 over 2. And x and y from here is x is negative 1 minus 3 square root of 5 over 2, negative 1 minus 3 square root of 5 over 2, and y is negative 1 plus 3 square root of 5 over 2. Also in here, we have two answers for x and y, so we write in here x and y is 4 and 4, and x and y is negative 3 and negative 3. So we have 4 answers for x and y, and this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.